Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is King David Forex, aka King of Blues. So on this particular channel I create content on how to participate and engage in the trading activity, participating in the foreign exchange trading activity with the aim of making profit. So as usual, I've come with a good news for you today, but before we delve into what I have for you, if you are a new subscriber, please, you are coming through my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like this video and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any of my content. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for turning back. Please do well to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to others and they can learn from it. You can as well copy the link and share it with as many as will be interested in learning one or two from it. And with that being said, let's dive straight into what I have today. Alright. Everyone has heard about forex trading, but I've come to discover that a lot of people don't really understand the concept of forex trading. So, if you are a professional trader, I beg, just walk past. If you are a newbie who is just hearing about forex trading or you just want to learn about forex trading, in fact, move closer. This video is specially made for you. And in this particular video, I'll be creating content what I titled on Introduction to Forex Trading. So basically, what will I be explaining in this particular video? I'll be showing you how you can find your way easily into the forex trading market and start making decisions even on your own. I'll be bringing you into the industry of foreign exchange, how you can learn the basic thing about forex trading. So first, what will I be dealing with is what exactly is forex trading. So as it's currently showing on your screen right now, forex trading, which also means foreign exchange, is the process of buying and selling currencies on the foreign exchange market with the aim of making a profit. It is very simple. Foreign exchange, which is popularly called forex, is a process of buying and selling of currencies. Note that word. What we buy and what we sell is currencies on the foreign exchange market with one goal, and the goal is to make profit. All right, you need to understand when and how the forex market operates. So the forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. What we mean by most liquid financial market in the world is that the most transaction that is being carried out in the world happens live in the forex market. The forex market moves over $6 trillion on a daily basis. If you do your conversion to your local rate, you know what that means. All right. So with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion, now guess how much do you think you can tap out from that particular market on a daily basis? Forex market opens 5 days a week and 24 hours a day, meaning that you can trade forex market from Monday till Friday, be it morning, afternoon or night. Forex market operates 24/5, meaning that it opens 24 hours a day and then for 5 days a week. So the market does not operate, it does not function during the weekends, which is Saturday and Sunday. All right, that being said, if you now want to venture into forex trading, now there are simple things you need to put in place, and there are some things you need to check. The first thing is, how do you then engage with the foreign exchange market? The first thing you want to do is to understand how that market operates. So what you want to do first is to do what? Is to get an account registered. If you want to participate in the foreign exchange market, the first thing you need to do is to get an account registered. And the way you can do that is with the help of what we call a broker. A broker is popularly called, let me put them as an application. They stand as an application. They are an intermediary between a trader and the market. All right. So as a trader wants to start trading, you register with a broker, then get your account. That way you can participate in trading activity. Now, what will the broker help you to do? The broker will help you to make deposits and withdrawals, and also make some settings like your leverage, your spread, your exchange rate, your commissions, and the rest. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure you have a real trading account. And in choosing a broker, you have to follow Uno road. Like we always say, there are several fake brokers out there who will offer bad conditions, which will in end affect you as a trader. I have been trading for a few years now, and I can boldly tell you I have tested several brokers, and the one that I can recommend to you is Xness. As you are seeing on your screen currently, this is Xness. If you want to trade with Xness, just go to your Play Store, search for Xness and register an account with them. And if you are lucky that you are in my community, there is a link provided in my community that you can use to register for an Xness account. Here is the benefit. If you register with my link for a broker, there are some benefits you will enjoy. The first one is like a tight spread. If you are a trader or you are a beginner, you know what tight spread is. You know what spread is. Spread is basically the exchange between buying price and selling price. So if you register with my link, trust me, you are going to enjoy what I call tight spread, meaning that you'll be transacting almost for free without any charges. All right, that's one of my opportunities, and there are so many other things you will enjoy, the likes of my free signals. There is a community where I created and I drop free signals for who are just starting out, who could not possibly pay for mentorship. You can join my community and get free signals on a daily basis. All right, so that being said, after getting a broker, you need to also understand so many things, because you can't say, okay, I already registered an account and then I just want to jump into the market and start trading. No, it doesn't work like that. So you need to understand some basic things about the forex market. So that will bring me to a few points that I'll be sharing with you right now. And the first thing you need to understand is that there are some things we consider before we make decisions in the market. Now, the first thing we consider before making decisions in the market is what we call currencies. And these are the major things that determine our action or our reaction in the forex market. We have what we call currency pair. As we already said, that foreign exchange is the buying and selling of currencies. So before you enter into the market, you want to really understand how these currency pairs operate. All right, so if you open your account, you will see we have currency pairs matched up in twos, meaning that they are in pairs. You will see the likes of Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. You will never see a single currency. All right, the meaning is because we are changing one for the other. Now, if you see a pair of currency pair, we have two. The first one, just like you are seeing on your screen right now, the first one at the left hand side, it is called base currency. Base currency owns the chart you are opening, and the one at the right hand side, which is at the front, is called quote currencies. So what we basically do is, if you open a chart, for example, let's say you open Euro USD chart, what you are basically doing is, if you are buying on Euro USD, what you are saying is Euro will gain power over USD. That's why you are buying. You are buying the base currency. The transactions we carry them out on the base currency with the exchange of the quote currency. So if you are selling on Euro USD, what you are basically saying is that USD will gain power against Euro. So that's why we are selling on Euro USD. So that's the first factor. You need to understand the importance of currencies that you are trading. All right, so that being said, there's another thing you need to understand, and it is called leverage. After getting an account, and even after understanding how the currency pairs operate, the next thing you need to look into is what we call leverage. And what is leverage? Leverage allows trader to control large position or a small account capital. This is leverage. It helps you to control large position with a small account capital. So for example, if you are a trader that you're just starting out, let's say you funded your account with $20 or $30, trust me, there is nothing that we do for you. But with the help of leverage, you can control a transaction that is up to $50,000 or even $100,000 on your $30 account. Why? Because of the help of leverage. That being said, leverage has two sides. It can easily help you to make more money by giving you more buying capacity. And at the same time, if you don't understand how to use it well, it can also make you lose more than expected. Now, leverage is one of the importance why we need a broker. If you go to your account, your profile on your broker account, you will find leverage where you can set it to probably 1 to 100, 1 to 200, 1 to 50, 1 to 1000, 1 to 2000, or even 1 to unlimited. All right, but I would advise you to use a minimum leverage between 1 to 100 to 1 to 500 or 1 to 1000 to manage your risk. All right, so leverage is what allows trader to hold or participate in large amounts of transactions with a small account. All right. After understanding that, there's something else you need to know as well, and this is called pips. What we call pips in the forex market is that the forex market movement is calculated in pips, just like the human being movement is calculated in footsteps. So the movement of price in the forex market is calculated in pips, and this is what determines your profit or your loss. So you need to understand how many pips you are willing to target for your profit and how many pips you are willing to risk for your loss, just in case the market goes against you. So you need to understand that you don't just jump into the market and just make decision without putting all these things into consideration. And don't forget, this is purposely for educational purpose. If you are just starting out for forex trading, these are the things you need to put into consideration before you start making decision. The movement of price in the forex market is calculated in pips, so it's what determines your profit or your loss. All right. The next thing you need to look out for is understanding the what I call spread. Understanding what I call spread. And what is spread? Spread is simply the difference between buying price and the selling price. You know, when you go to let's say a physical market now, and you want to get something. Let's say you want to get a phone, and you get a phone for $100. And after maybe a month or 2 months, you want to sell that phone. You know, you won't possibly be selling it at the same price you bought it for. You might decide to sell it lower or decide to sell it higher. This is exactly what spread is in the forex market. It is the difference between the buying price and the selling price. All right. So how does spread affect you as a trader? Let me give you the secret. What we call broker, they make their money from traders from what we call spread. If you open your chart and you check the difference between the buying price and the selling price, whichever amount that gives you is what your broker will be making over every trade you make in the market. Now, how do you use this to your advantage? Whenever you choose a broker, do well to check their spread. Any broker that offers large spread is not a good broker to trade with. That's why I'm recommending Xness for you right now, so that you can use. If you are interested in using my link, like I said as well, you can just comment in the comment section. Just type registration link. Just type registration link. I will drop it for you. Just type registration link under the comment section. I will drop it for you so that you can register with them and enjoy other benefits that that is meant for those who registered with my account. All right. So that being said, their spread is very, very tight, and using my link as well will give you more leverage to enjoy tighter spread, meaning that you will carry out transactions for almost for free. I don't want to dwell too much on that because I still want to touch some other aspects. And the next thing I will be talking about right now is what I called lot size. Like I said, you don't just want to open the chart and start making decisions. There are several things we put together to understand what we want to do in the forex market. What we call lot size is basically the calculation of what you are willing to invest into a particular trade. Your risk or your profit will be determined by the measurement of the size that you are willing to use in the forex market. We have several lot size that you can use, starting from 0.01 to depending on your capital. So for example, if you are using, let me give you this analogy. If you are using a 0.1 lot size and you are targeting 100 pips in the forex market, this is how it works. All right, we multiply our lot size by our pips. So for example, you are trading with a 0.1 lot size and you are targeting 100 pips. Pick your calculator and do the calculation. 0.1 times 100 will give you 10. So this means that if you are trading with a 0.1 lot size and you are targeting 100 pips, if that trade goes in your direction, that means you are making a $10 profit. All right, you are making a $10 profit. And if you are risking 30 pips or 20 pips, I believe you already know what pips is because I explained before. So if you are risking 20 pips and you are using 0.1 lot size, you already know that you are risking. If the trade goes against you, you are losing how much? You are losing $2. I hope that is cleared. So what determines our profit or our loss in the forex market is simply determined by the larger or the smaller our lot size is. The larger or the smaller our lot size is. So you have to put it into consideration. All right. After that being said, if you want to start trading, don't jump into the market. Do not jump into the market. All right, you need to first of all educate yourself, and that is the major reason why I'm virtually creating this content for those who are starting the foreign exchange market, so that they don't just get in like that and start making decisions without knowing what to do. Educate yourself. Don't start by running after the money. You have to seek knowledge first. The forex market is highly risky, so you can't afford to go in and then start making irrational decisions. So you want to educate yourself first by finding out how the market operates and how you can engage with the aim of making profit. Don't forget, that is the main goal. All right, that is the main goal. So let's look at for example, let's look at our screen briefly. So what we have right here, as we can see, this is GBP USD, and this is British pounds and USD. The same thing you are seeing here, this is it. I'm just trying to do the summary with a live explanation. So what we have here, which is GBP, is what we call base currency. I'm trying to do a review now so that you understand very well. What we have here is what we call GBP USD, and what we have at the left hand side is the base currency, is the owner of this chart. So whatever we are doing on this particular chart affects GBP USD. All right, and what we are having at the front, which is the right hand side, USD, is the quote currencies. All right, so whatever you are doing here, you are either buying or selling GBP with USD. All right, so that being said, the next thing you want to check is the pips. Like what I said earlier, let's say this is the movement of market. You can see, let's just pick for example from this place, you can see a downward movement to this particular place, and from here you can see an upward movement to this particular place, downward movement, upward movement, downward movement, upward movement, and so on and so forth. That's the way the forex market moves. It moves up and down. Now let's check our pips again. Let's say from this particular place, to this place right here is how many pips? This is 582 pips. We can see it right there. So for example, you are using 0.1 lot size. All right, you are using 0.1 lot size and you are targeting 582 pips. If you pick your calculator and check that, 0.1 lot size times 582 pips, that will give you $58.2. So that means you are targeting to make $58.2 on this particular market if you buy from this zone and targeting at this particular level. So these are basic things you need to understand if you are engaging with the forex market. These are basic things you need to understand if you are engaging with the forex market. And the next thing you want to check is the lot size. All right, is the lot size. You can basically do that on your MT4 or your MT5. All right, those are where we place the trade. We basically do technical analysis on this particular chart. I know you may not understand everything that I'm saying, but just calm down, just take it slow. Now that being said, after sharing all this knowledge with you, this is just to introduce you to what forex trading is. Basically, if you really want to take it up as a business and be very serious about it to become a professional and a profitable trader, you will definitely need to sign up for a training or a course or a mentorship with someone. All right, this way you get to learn what I called strategy. You get to learn what I call strategy, and this is where the game gets interesting and gets tough at the same time. You cannot trade in the forex market without a solid strategy, without a solid knowledge, or else you keep up losing your hard-earned money. So on this note, if you are interested in getting mentorship or training as forex trading is concerned, also do well, see the contacts that is showing on your screen right now. Please Do not follow anybody in the comment section trying to tell you to DM them or send them money or do anything. Kindly check the contacts that is showing on your screen right now. Drop a message for me and I will attend to you, adding you up to my mentorship program where you learn advanced things on how you can profitably trade the forex market. Alright, if you think this video is helpful and you've learned one or two things, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that you get to notified whenever I drop another video. All right, thank you very much and I will see you on my next content. Peace out, guys.